Welcome to our kitchen makeover journey, where we prove that a fresh, stylish kitchen doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. In today's episode, we're showing you how to completely transform your kitchen using budget-friendly solutions that deliver high-impact style. Whether you're dealing with outdated cabinets, limited storage, or just a boring layout, stick with us to see how a few smart choices can breathe new life into your space. Let's face it, kitchen renovations can be expensive, but we wanted to create a space that felt brand new, without draining our bank account. So we focused on smart upgrades, repurposed materials, and a lot of DIY spirit. Here's where we started. This kitchen was functional, but far from fabulous. Our goal? Make it stylish, inviting, and above all, affordable. First up, paint. It's one of the most budget-friendly ways to dramatically change any room. And in the kitchen, it's a total game changer. For the cabinets, we went bold with a matte forest green. It's moody, modern, and adds so much character. Light colors make small kitchens feel bigger. Darker shades add drama, great for lower cabinets. Always use a satin or semi-gloss finish. It's easier to clean and lasts longer in a high-use space. You'd be amazed what new hardware can do. We swapped out the old brass knobs for sleek, brushed nickel pulls. Just $3 a piece, but they make a massive difference. Can't afford a full replacement? Try an epoxy resin kit. We turned our old laminate countertops into marble-look beauties for under $200. Other options include contact paper, yes really, tile overlays, or affordable butcher block panels. The key is focusing on the visible surfaces, because that's what people notice most. A beautiful kitchen is nothing if it's not functional. We added vertical shelves inside cabinets, hooks under shelves, and stackable jars for dry goods. Budget storage tips. Use mason jars, dollar store baskets, and repurposed containers. Add drawer organizers to keep utensils in check. Install a pegboard wall to hang everyday tools. Easy access and visual charm. Decluttering is free, but it's one of the most powerful transformations you can make. Now comes the fun part, styling. You don't need to spend hundreds on decor. We scored most of our accessories secondhand or made them ourselves. DIY Decor Ideas. Frame prints from free online art archives. Paint old vases to match your new color scheme. Create a chalkboard wall for menus, messages, or kids' doodles. Adding greenery, even faux plants, brings freshness and life to the room. And here it is, our kitchen makeover, complete. From dull and dated to cozy and chic, this transformation cost us less than $1,200 total. And every change was DIY friendly. We've created a space that reflects our style, functions better, and just feels good to be in. If you enjoyed this transformation and picked up a few tips, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more DIY magic. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Want to see more budget-friendly home makeovers? Let us know what you want us to tackle next. Thanks for watching, and remember, with a little creativity you can build the home you love on the budget you have.